Hello, welcome back. Today's topic is paragraph writing, a basic skill that can boost your writing in essays and stories. Let's explore how to write clear, focused, and well-developed paragraphs. A paragraph is a group of related sentences that discuss one main idea. It usually starts with the topic sentence, followed by supporting details, and ends with a concluding sentence. Think of it like a mini essay, one main idea, clearly explained. Here's the basic structure of a paragraph. 1. Topic sentence. This introduces the main idea of the paragraph. 2. Supporting details. These are 2 to 4 sentences that explain, give examples, or provide evidence. 3. Concluding sentence. This wraps up the idea or links to the next paragraph. Example. Topic sentence. Dogs make great pets. Supporting sentences. They are loyal, easy to train, and provide companionship. My dog, Max, always cheers me up after school. Concluding sentence. For these reasons, dogs are often called man's best friend. Your topic sentence sets the tone. It tells the reader what the paragraph is about. Good. Recycling is important for protecting the environment. Weak. I want to talk about recycling. Keep it clear, direct, and focused on one idea. Now, support your topic with specific details. Use facts, examples, personal experiences, and statistics, if needed. And use transition words to guide your reader. For example, another reason is, in addition, etc. The final sentence wraps up the paragraph. It can restate the main idea, offer a summary, provide a final thought. Example, that's why regular exercise is essential for staying healthy. Paragraph writing example. Let's put it all together. Topic: the importance of reading. Reading helps people gain knowledge and improve their vocabulary. It exposes readers to different cultures and ideas. Reading regularly also strengthens focus and concentration. For these reasons, reading is one of the best habits a student can develop. Tips for strong paragraphs. Stick to one main idea. Avoid going off topic. Use transition words. Keep your sentences clear and connected. Reread to check for flow and grammar. Practice challenge. Time to try it out. Write a paragraph about your favorite holiday or celebration. Use the 3-part structure. Share your paragraph in the comments. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, share with a friend, and hit that subscribe button for more writing tips. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.